Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing? Welcome to the Wednesday morning daily dossier of Ask Abhishekraj, where I'll gear you up with all that you need to know about the markets and how to make money in today's trading session. Well, in order to make money at times, it's very important to know when it's a time to hit the button. You cannot be trading always and expect to make money. Market, see, unless and until you understand what exactly is going to be the direction, what exactly the markets are saying. So at times you need to take a pause as well. So that's what I've been warning you from last two sessions. Take a breather. Don't go aggressive. Don't go bullish at all. Markets are in kind of indecisive mode. Exactly the same thing has been happening. Hope you're able to save money, make money as well. So having said that, let's quickly jump into the data and see what exactly do we have for today's trading session. Well, it's 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. rather, on 13th evening when I'm making this particular video. So the global cues for sure are kind of negative. Dow Jones and the American markets are 0.5% negative. European markets are negative too. But again, I would still not say go aggressively negative, but be very, very precautious. We are approaching October end, and if you look into the history, the October end has been very, very special. The crisis of 1929, the crisis of year 2008, every biggest crisis of stock market history had started in the month of October, that too in the end of October. Now we have got multiple cues as well. We have got US elections around the corner. We have just recovered from coronavirus pandemic. Not recovered, rather in the process of recovering. Nifty's P ratio, that price to earning ratios, are at all-time high. So again, it's the time when you need to sit back and relax to understand what exactly is running in the bigger picture before you take bets. Yes, markets are around highs. You should be booking some profit, that's for sure, because that's the discipline of managing a portfolio. If you don't sell on high, if you don't accumulate when markets are making lows, good quality stock, how would you make profits? Anyways, having said all of that, let's look at the data now. Number one, looking at the indices, Nifty 50 was kind of flat. We closed like 0.3% positive, 0.03% positive to be more precise. Banking index closed about 0.93% negative. Nifty closed positive thanks to Nifty IT, energy and metal. IT indices closed 1.3% positive. Energy index closed 1% positive. Metal index closed 0.39% positive. Infrastructure was positive. Rest all the sectors, CPEC, your reality, FMCG, auto, consumption, financial services, private bank, PSU bank, media, pharma, all these sectors were negative. Now, if you take a look on the data, fund flow data, foreign institutions again bought small amount, that's 832 crores into cash market. On the other hand, domestic institutions sold double of that, that's 1674 crores. Now, if you look at the FII's numbers on the indices future, it was a very small number, like 59 crores of selling. Index options were bought about 55 crores. So index part FIIs didn't do much cash, they didn't buy much. So it's kind of, foreign institutions are also looking into a wait and watch mode. But yes, they did sell stock futures worth 931 crores. Stock options were sold about 88 crores. Volatility was negative by 2%. Overall, it was a flat market. Fund flow, I would call it a neutral to negative. Global cues are mixed to negative. Some indices are kind of flat, some indices are negative. So let's see how it shapes up. So for that, you need to know how charts are shaping up on Nifty and Banknifty. So starting with Nifty first. Now, if you take a close look on Nifty, what has happened is in yesterday's session, to be more precise, today, because I'm recording this video on 13th evening. So today's candle, if you look at, it's a doji candle and it's within the range of yesterday. So we neither crossed yesterday's high nor we fell below yesterday's low. So we are in kind of very compact range. This is going to be very, very important. And now, so you're looking at the retracement levels. The first thing you should be watching out for the session of 12th. That's going to be important in case we break any lows on 12th or highs of the 12th. We could be seeing some good movements. Rest, keep an eye on support levels of 11,800. That's about it. Volumes were not that much big, so nothing major to worry about on Nifty front at least. But again, Nifty was getting supported by metals and IT stocks as well, energy stocks as well. So that's okay. The RSI as well on Nifty, it's still strong. It's above 60 level, so that's kind of positive on daily charts. Now let's take a look on Bank Nifty, because this is where the interesting picture is shaping up. Now, on the left hand side of this picture, if you see, there is a retracement that I have drawn from the all-time highs of the all-time correction of Bank Nifty. That was 16,000 levels. So basically what has happened is on 31st of March, Bank Nifty made a high of 25,000, however did not close above the 50% retracement level. So basically, and if you look take a close look on the chart, the current resistance that Bank Nifty is getting on the upper band of Bollinger Band, that's also exact 50% retracement that's placed around 24,000 levels. So even on 31st of August, Bank Nifty fell to 24,000 levels, rather a little below that as well. And since then we saw a big correction of 5,000 points in this particular rally. We did not cross that particular level. Now if you compare the volumes of 31st of August, when Bank Nifty made 25,000 high, the volumes were quite big. Right now Bank Nifty's RSI looks taking support around 60, and currently the RSI is placed on daily charts at 61.5. so it would be very, very important to see whether Bank Nifty's RSI sustains above 60 levels or it goes below that. In case it happens, we could be looking at some correction as well. So one thing is for sure, that there is a lot of weakness into banking index for sure. So now again, banking shares, banking indices are the leading indicators. They are the indicators of economy. So in case things don't work out on banking, it may be difficult for the entire markets. And but again, the last two candles that we have on daily chart, they are indecisive candles, and even the just on 12th October's candle was a spinning top. Today again we had a negative closing, so it's a kind of confirmation on indecisiveness to negative. So Bank Nifty looks quite bearish. I'll personally suggest, in case you have long positions, keep a very close watch. In case RSI on daily chart goes below 60, you should be exiting your long positions, and you should avoid buying unless and until we see a good correction on support levels, or we get a breakout above 24,000 levels. Yes, above 24,000 levels you will be perfectly fine, because then you would be headed for a 61% retracement that's placed around 25,990, so more or less 26,000 levels above 24,000. So 24,000, in case we cross above 24,000 sustain, we could be headed for another 2,000 points of rally. But in case that doesn't happen, my friend, it's going to be very, very difficult. Very, very difficult, because something taking resistance at 50%, it could trigger the entire rally altogether. 50% is considered a very, very healthy retracement for the trend continuation. So my fear is whether the entire correction is going to show its continuation or not. So the answer has not come up yet. When I get the answer, I'll share with you. So just take precaution, sit back and relax, avoid going any side aggressive. Though sectorially, stock specific, you can always take your bets, because stocks and sectors have nothing to do with the overall market, because at times the same factors, for example, dollar positive, it's a positive factor for IT index, however it's negative for banking index and some other sectors too. So stock specific, there will always be moves and opportunities, but again, you need to keep a watch on overall market correction as well. So hope this information will support you, help you in taking your investment decision. As a matter of fact, today itself I sold off some of my portfolio stocks which I had been holding for quite a while, because markets are at the higher range. So I have exited my 50% of the portfolio. I'll probably be making them in case Nifty closes above 12,050 or Bank Nifty closes above 24,000 levels, and I am expecting to sell more in case Nifty closes further more low. That's 12th October's low is broken. In that case as well, I'll chop a little bit more from my portfolio. So that's how you should be managing your portfolio too. So that would be all in today's trading session. Hope this information is going to help you manage your trades, your option trades, your stock trades, your futures trade, anything. And in case you need any support or assistance, don't hesitate, just call me up, message message me, comment. I would be more than happy to help you. You can always reach me through direct message on Facebook or WhatsApp. My number is right available here. So that would be all in today's session. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Abhishek Raj signing off. Stay healthy, stay wealthy.